everyone, this is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet in Tinley Park, Illinois. Today I'm standing in front of the all-new 2019 Chevy Trax. Now this specific Trax is a front-wheel drive LT model that comes with your back tinted windows and 16-inch aluminum wheels. For the month of April, Apple Chevy is offering all of its customers the option between 13% off all 2019 Traxes or 0% financing for 72 months with an additional $250. Now when we get in this vehicle, you can see that we do have a mixture of cloth and leather seating that comes with this tan lining. When we step in, we do have a fairly large back seat, a brand new Chevy MyLink radio, and your standard cruise control. This is Johnny at Apple Chevrolet. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video. I hope you guys have a great day.